Alright, today is Kitten Advent Calendar Day 16 and Day 17. Let's help Oscar out. So, you can already see in there what he got for Day 16. I don't agree with these little rats. Oh, look at that. Yuck. Oscar, you want? You want? Get it. You want it? No? Alright, so let's move on to door number 17. I'm not sure if you can see what's in behind door number 17, but I think he's going to like it more than this little rat. Let's get it out. Oh, Jesus. This is his favorite little toy. See if he comes. He's coming. Come on, bugger. Stop shaking your button. Come on. That's his favorite. Like, what all else is in here, Mama?
Get out my own dear.
Yeah. Oscar, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. What are you doing? You want to attack me, don't you? That's what's more important. Yeah, he's getting tired. How about we go on and throw door 18 in here too? Me personally, door 18 has a nice toy. I don't know how they got all these little toys packed in there that tight. It's got a bell in it, something that he loves. Oscar? You're being lazy today, buddy. Come on.
To the Hilton, thinking about checking in.
You want? Or you want this one? I see your little eyes. I see them. There you go, buddy. No, I heard you talk. Come on, get out the lobby of the Hilton. Come on. Oh, you little grabber. Get off of me. I was going to just let you say goodbye to everybody.
That was a full-blown attack.
Hey. Hey. Well, he don't want to play today, guys. Oh, Oscar.
He's ready to wrestle.
He's ready to wrestle, damn it.
Look at him.
You little shit. No. Done bit the heck out of me, though.
Look how long that booger is.
Get your little butt over here. Get your little butt over here and say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Yeah, it's time to say goodbye, you little booger. You don't attack the hand that feeds you now. No.
Well, he's ready for
No, don't pounce. No. Say bye-bye. Huh?
I gotta try to make
Say bye-bye.
Try to keep him up.